today, and hand over this lock and key to Honorable SP, and from today onwards, it is your property, you can utilize it. Thank you.
Laplih na kasngi ya Jaka Jong Pulit Pyniaid kali kepadon lang haka ya Jaka Litban Red Cross Laban dau emeli ka South Chilong uba Sanbor Shullai lasnai kani ka yeng haka jinglu jingsam ka belong Henry point lai lak tingka naga jingchumu ban Pyniaid bet yai renti yaki kali barka jingdan kam ban lek ko ya pok than haka program USP traffic uki persan ula pensyai halor ka jingdan kam jongkum kini ki Jaka Pyniaid kali naga ba ong bakani kan pensuk bun yaki Pulit traffic haka rukom ban Pyniaid yaki kali haka jo kapor kan ram yaki ban pelong jing talasi uba Sanbor ula batai ya katu kani gijing tumu ban le yakum kani kaju habati bazar laban kanang bakan ai jing skri ke pai ba jong kathan.
Here we are surrounded by if you go to the left side you are reaching Scout and Guides institution, Fine Mount School. If you go to the right side, you will see plenty of shop here. This is a Red Cross. We have Umsherpi College. We have Red Cross Hospital Dispensary, and downwards you will see there are lots of clinics, and we have also school there, like the Bengali boys, the Bengali girls, schools, and we have the Muslim LP school, and this place is very a busy place. This is a market place, and the problem that we are facing now, and based on the request of the general public of the entire Laban area and Greater Laban area, that we need urgently a police boot. Here a police boot has to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic, and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the students and the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of discretionary grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police boot for the interest of the police traffic department and for the interest of the general public. And later on, after the handing over of this police boot to the authority of the traffic department in presence of Honorable SP Prasad, then we will go down, a little bit down, where we are going to inaugurate the public urinal toilet and urinal system in the form of pay and use toilet and urinal system. This is also the long aspiration of the people of the Greater Laban, especially the people of our Laban area, because they don't have this toilet and urinal facilities. So we have also discussed with Prasad, Latyang and Marngar also, with the headman, members of the Dorbar, maybe after a few months, after the completion of the Laban's supermarket complex, after shifting of all those shopkeepers, we will be able to set up that police will be free. So we'll set up one more police booth in Adiaudak Laban. One more. So with these few words, this police booth, we have spent from the DG grant of the MLA district grant 1,30,000, and the public toilet and urinal system. This has been sanctioned for an amount of rupees 5 lakh from the Shillong Municipal Board under the Swas Bharat Mission.